Guys, we got the new track saw killer deal on this one. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribers and likes, so help this channel by doing so. Yeah, guys. So this is the brand new track saw from Ryobi. We got the 1 HP 18 bolt brushless cordless 6.5 track saw with kit. 4 amp hour high performance battery, HP battery, charger. Big shout out to David at the DO Team 6 Facebook group. I'll leave you guys the link down below on the description section of this video. Yes, guys, this is the brand new track saw. I did see this at the store already, so this is nothing new. Stay tuned for this weekend if you guys want to see the promos. There's a few different promos. Stay tuned for, I believe, Friday or Saturday. I will be releasing that video. Yeah, but there's new promos going on for Ryobi, especially with this track saw. Alright, so they got $3.99. So if you want to get this track saw before, this is my brother right there, $3.99, and then you get to select a free gift. Obviously, you're going to select the battery, $119 credit, or $119 worth, and then you're going to go here to, yes, guys, it's going to go down to $307. I'll leave you guys the link down below on the description section of this video. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.